Hello, my name is Frank Alberson with Grass America. We are here today to demonstrate the Grass ZBox 2-minute drawer system. ZBox is a metal drawer system combining the Grass Zargan slide with our full extension ball bearing slide. ZBox is a totally automated drawer system that features a dynamic load rating of 100 pounds with consistent drawer front drillings for all drawer side heights. Let's build a drawer. First, we're going to drill our backs. After we drill the backs, we will then drill our drawer face. And now we will assemble the ZBox drawer system. Okay, for the next step, we're going to groove the bottom of the drawer. Okay, now we're going to insert the bottom into the ZBox drawer system. We hope you enjoyed the demonstration of the Grass drawer systems. Thank you very much.